Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, and today we'll be taking a look at this 2014 Dodge Journey SE Plus. So here we have a 4-door, 5-passenger SUV in a classic white color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Now, some of your features include your delay-off headlights. You also have your roof rack with your crossbars in case you need some extra storage space, and you have your steering wheel mounted controls, which includes your hands-free calling, your music controls, and your voice command. But there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look around. Helping you into your journey is this handy dandy proximity key. On your fob, you have your unlock, your lock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all 4. But I'm going to lock this back up here for you because this is a proximity key. We won't be needing that. Nice handy little button here on the handle. So I'm just going to place my hand on the handle just like that, and then unlocked for me. And then if I click the button twice, it will lock it back up for me. So I don't need to take my key out of my pocket at all. So once again, I'm just gonna put my hand on the handle there and it's gonna unlock for me. So we're gonna open this up. We'll take a look at the interior, take a look at some of the features. We do have a nice amount of space, really easy to get in and out. We have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Taking a little bit further in, you have a nice clean interior, really comfortable seats, really nice to ride around in. So I'm just gonna hop on in. We'll start it up here for you. Now, once again, we won't be needing to take that key out because it's a proximity key. We have push start technology. So taking a look at the odometer here, we only have 82,155 kilometers. Lots of life left on your Dodge. So moving a little bit further back here, we do have all of the mounted controls that you're going to want. You have your volume control and your music selection buttons here on the left, along with your hands-free calling and your voice command, pardon me. And then on the right-hand side there, you have your cruise control. Now taking a look at the entertainment system, now you have your AM, FM radio, and then you have your CD player, your auxiliary input, your USB, and your Bluetooth, which is going to give you your hands-free calling as well. So lots of great music options there for you. Taking a look at the climate control, you do have your dual zone climate control for your driver and your passenger. And then moving a bit further down from there, you have your CD player. You have a lot of really great storage, and then just under here is your 12-volt DC plug-in should you have any other devices that you would like to charge. Now taking a look, you have a couple more cup holders there, and then you have this nice center console. This removes to make for easy cleaning, so that's going to be handy. You can carry some larger items at the bottom. This can double as an armrest for you. And then moving a little bit further in, you have a lockable glove box. That's really nice to have, and a nice deep glove box that is nice. You don't have to go rummaging around in the dark. It can carry all of your manuals there for you. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of the Journey. Why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo? Taking a look at the back of your Journey now, lots of great stuff going on back here as well. You do have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable weather that you might hit on your great road trips. You also have your rear window defrost. I'm just going to open this up here for you so you can take a look at the cargo section. So nice amount of space when that third row is being used. And I'm just going to put these seats down here so you can see just how easy it is. And I'm just going to pop that down. It's going to fall nice and flat. There you are, and I can do that with one hand and film at the same time, so really super easy. Lots and lots of space back here, and then you have that convenience of the third row should you need it. When you're all finished up, packing up your gear, I'm just gonna close that back up there for you and give you a nice view of the back of your Dodge Journey. Giving you a final look then of the 2014 Dodge Journey SE Plus. There's a ton of things that I didn't get a chance to go through on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions you want. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.